For this raw vegan marshmallow cream, place 3/4 of a cup unroasted cashews in a medium-sized bowl and cover with filtered water to soften. Place 4 large pitted medjool dates in a medium-sized bowl with 3/4 of a cup filtered water to soften. Cover and soak for 6 hours. Drain and rinse the cashews, then toss into your high-speed blender. Add the dates and 3/4 of a cup of the date water. Add the dates to the blender. And to preserve it longer, add a dash of pink salt. Start blending on low, slowly increasing the speed to high to make cream, like this. Use this marshmallow cream in your coffee, smoothie, between 2 cookies, as a frosting, on strawberries, or in a parfait. Recipe and YouTube description below. I'll put this frozen chocolate recipe and this coffee ice cream recipe on the end screen so you can make these too. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.